Okay, now for the SuperAir Alaska, whatever you want to call it. As I know we're going to get some comments saying that's Alaska, that's a SuperAir, that's Alaska. Oh my god. The controller says SuperAir, that's what I'm going by. So I think one was high, wasn't it? Yep. Goodness me, I'm losing it when I make all these videos. This thing's wobbly as well. Hope it doesn't hit the wall. I haven't tried it in this spot. If it does hit the wall, I'm very impressed. Now they are both running. Hope it doesn't. Shouldn't do though. I can just get over here just to confirm that it won't. If I stepped on something that broke it. No, it's not gonna. There's the wobble. Doesn't start being noisy now. Hear the canopy ticking away. Don't know what the next fan will be. That goes into the middle for the test. It's a medium. This thing's only 3 speeds. I do need to kind of fix that cable. It shouldn't interfere with anything. Hope not. What's it doing? You can kind of see the out of balance blade. It's alright, but I don't think the cable will get caught in the fan. If it does, we're stuffed. Guys, I do need to fix that. I was meaning to do that before. As long as it doesn't fall out into the blades. I don't think it's long enough though. Take the chance, I'll fix it after the video. Got plenty of cable clips. It's getting angry. That's just because the motor mount's loose, and as it's going back and forth, it's kind of rubbing. It's rubbing against like the canopy and stuff, or whatever it's doing, I don't know. Yeah, we'll turn it off now because it's squeaking. We'll turn this off as well because I don't need to be down here the rest of the time being. Now we'll just see which one stops first. Probably Alaska SuperAir thingy. Stand the doorway so I can just see both. It's pretty wobbly. Well, that might stop first. Yeah, I guess it ain't gonna spin down very long. It doesn't usually. Yep, Mistral loss. It's Alaska now. It always like takes forever. It acts like it's on, but it's actually not on. You can see this, that blade is out of balance. I might have to move that. So it actually, it's probably have to adjust the whole thing. So hopefully in the next video of the fans I make, it'll all be fixed. The cable will be properly done. I need to fix up all that cabling though. You're gonna stop. There we go. Thanks for watching.